Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can update your drivers on your Windows 11 operating system. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to open the device manager. So you can open the device manager by just right clicking on the Windows Start icon here. So this is the right click and not the left click, and then you will be able to see this option which says device manager, which is going to open this kind of interface. Otherwise, you can also search for device manager in the search bar, and then you can click on the device manager from here, and it's going to open the device manager. Or you can search for control panel, and then inside control panel also you will be able to see the device manager. When you just view by large icons here, you will be able to see the device manager inside the control panel also. You can see here. So once device manager is open, whatever driver you want to update, so let's say I have this monitor driver, I have the network adapters, I have printer drivers here, and also all these other drivers here, right? So let's say I want to update the USB driver here. So I can just right click on the driver which I want to update. So right click here, and then you have the option to update the driver. So you can click on update driver, and then it says how do you want to search for drivers. So the first recommendation would be to just click on the first option, which is search automatically for drivers. And what it's going to do is it's going to search the driver automatically on internet, and it's going to update that driver automatically. So you can see the best driver for your device is already installed. So if you see this message, this means that the updated driver is already present on your Windows 11 operating system. Now if you want to update the driver manually, so you can once again right click and then click on update here. If you want to update the driver manually, then you can just search for the driver on internet. So you can search for this driver on internet and then download the driver file manually on your Windows operating system, and then click on this option which says browse my computer driver, and then click on browse and then locate the driver file which you have downloaded from internet, and then select that file, and you will be able to update that file when you click on the next option. Or you also have this option, let me pick from the list of available driver on my computer. So because Windows operating system also have some drivers on your computer, you can click on this option which says let me pick from the list of available drivers, and you can see I only have one driver available on my computer. So you can also select that driver and then click on next, which is going to install that driver. And now you can see Windows has successfully updated your driver, and now you have the updated driver. Now how you can recognize that your driver is old or not? So what you need to do is, in order to get the information about the driver, once again right click and then click on the properties this time, and then click on driver here, and you can see driver date, right? 21/6/2006, right? So this is the driver date, and if you see that the driver date is old, then you can always update your driver and see if the latest driver is available for your Windows operating system. Also, you can see in the events when your device was configured and when the device was started. So you can see all the events listed here, right?